If you want to download from Google Drive on iPhone 17e, in that case, what you can do is, first of all, we need to go to the App Store and we can download the Google Drive app. So let's go ahead and search for Google Drive, and we should be able to easily get the app on our iPhone. There we go. So let's tap on this cloud and let's get the app. After that, we need to open the app, and most likely you will have to sign into your Google account. Once you get your access to all your files, you can, for example, tap on these three dots that we have on the right side, and then we can choose to download the file. There we go. Then of course we can decide where we want to save it. We can save it to Files app, for example, over here. We can choose the destination where the file should be saved. And that is pretty much it. And since we now have the Google Drive app on our phone, you should also be able to access it from the Files app itself. If we go to Browse over here, as you can see, we have access to our Google Drive location. First, we need to turn it on, but then you should be able to access everything that you have in here. Leave a like and subscribe.